Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The first time I saw mobile auto detailing, I immediately said to myself, that's a great idea. I also thought to myself that I can do that. When I started my mobile auto detailing business, I quickly discovered that potential customers thought it was a great idea as well. They immediately saw the value in it, but some prey on the detailers that aren't aware of the true value of the service. Whether it's a wash or a detail, the service is worth the level of convenience. We come to you, home or office. The service has value. If a customer can get over, they will. So don't let them. If they're inquiring about your services, it's because it has value. So don't sell yourself short. You deserve it. It's time to start enjoying yourself. You should be able to afford the house you need, the car you want, the clothes, the jewelry, or whatever you're into. Most of us in this industry are adults, so we shouldn't be working for minimum wage. If this video offends you, it means that you're scared to go after what your service is really worth. You're settling because of the fear of being told no or losing customers. Trust me, I understand. I was there not long ago. At times, when it's time to take my business to the next level, I experience a certain level of fear, but I continue to push forward anyway. Sometimes I step right into the fire, but a lot of times I take baby steps, but a step in the right direction. I look at some of the clients I service, and a few of them live pretty good lives. They indulge in high-end jewelry, high-end vehicles, and take high-end trips, and they deserve it. They did what it took to get there, so it shouldn't be different for you or me. If you have to raise your prices, then raise them. If you have to spend more money on advertising, then spend that bag. If you need employees, then start hiring. Oh yeah, that's for me. We have to do what it takes to get there. Then we'll deserve it. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.